Welcome to From Zero to Hero. Financial education is no longer optional, it's survival. And yet, most people were never taught how money really works. Hi, hunters. Let's start. Every day, people invest in companies they don't understand, lose money they worked for. But the truth is simple. They were never taught the rules of the game. So let's start from zero. What is the stock market? The stock market is a place where companies and people meet. Companies go there to raise money. People go there to grow their money. It's not a casino, but if you don't understand it, it will feel like one. When you buy a stock, you are not just clicking a button. You are buying a piece of a company. But why would a company sell a piece of itself? Because companies need money to grow, to build new products, to expand, to dominate their market. Instead of taking loans, they offer shares to the public, and in exchange, they get the capital. You give them money, and you become part of the business. If a company grows, your piece becomes more valuable. If it struggles, your piece loses value. So when you buy a stock, you're not gambling, you're making a decision on a business. The problem? Most of people don't even know what they own. Some people don't invest in just one company. They spread their money. That's called diversification. Others don't pick individual stock at all. They invest in group of companies. These are called funds. And some companies even pay you just for holding their stock. Those are dividends. So how does price actually move? Most people think it moves randomly, or because of news, or emotions. But the truth is deeper than that. The market moves because of liquidity. Orders waiting to be filled. Stops sitting above highs and below lows. Price doesn't just move, it seeks, it hunts. And once you understand that, you stop guessing and start seeing. There are two main ways to play this game. The investor thinks long-term, months, years, studies the company, believes in its future, and holds through ups and downs. The goal? To grow wealth slowly but consistently. And then there's the trader. The trader thinks short-term, minutes, hours, days, doesn't focus in the company, focuses on price, on timing, on execution. The goal? To take advantage of movement, again and again and again. Same market, different mindset. Investors built positions. Traders built precision. But you can't just walk into the market. You need a tool. That tool is called a broker. A broker is a bridge between you and the market. It's a platform that allows you to buy, to sell, and to access financial markets. Without a broker, you may understand the market, but you still can't participate in it. This is where investors and traders actually take action. And later in this series, you'll understand how brokers work, why they matter, and what separates one type from the another. And how do traders make decisions? They study price, charts, patterns, behavior. This is called technical analysis. And in this series, we will break it down together, step by step. What it is, why it matters, and how to actually use it. So over time, you won't just look at charts, you'll begin to understand them. Now you understand what market is. But understanding is not enough, because the real question is, how does it actually move? Why does price rise and then suddenly collapse? Why does it trap people again and again? In the next lessons, we're going deeper into how markets really work, how they move, and how to actually read them, step by step, from zero to precision. Lesson 1 is done.